Hey there! How's everything going with your English skills improvement journey?
Hi, it's been quite a ride, I must say. I've been trying out some of the tips we discussed earlier, like reading more and watching English movies, but I still feel like I have a long way to go.
Don't worry. Progress takes time. The important thing is to stay consistent. So what's been your favorite book or movie in English so far?
Well, I recently read To Kill a Mockingbird, and I was blown away by the storytelling. It's such a powerful book, and it really helped me expand my vocabulary.
That's a classic. I'm glad you enjoyed it. And yeah, reading can definitely do wonders for vocabulary. Have you been trying to incorporate some of those new words into your daily conversations?
I have, but it's still a bit challenging. Sometimes I worry that I might use them incorrectly, and it holds me back from speaking confidently.
I totally get that. Confidence is a big part of improving your speaking skills. How about we practice a bit right now? I'll throw in a few words, and you can try to use them in a sentence.
Sure, that sounds like a fun exercise. Go ahead.
All right, let's start with ubiquitous. It means something that's everywhere or very common. Can you use it in a sentence?
Of course! Smartphones have become ubiquitous in our society. You can hardly find someone without one.
Nicely done. Now, how about elaborate? It means to give more details or explanations about something.
Here's one. Can you elaborate on your vacation plans? I'd love to hear all the exciting details.
Great job. You're getting the hang of it.
The design of that antique clock is so intricate. It must have taken a skilled craftsman a long time to create.
Excellent use of the word. See, you're making progress already. Just keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using these words naturally in your everyday conversations.
Thanks for the encouragement. I appreciate your help, and you know what? This practice session was actually fun.
I'm glad to hear that. Learning should be enjoyable. If you ever want to practice more or discuss any other aspects of improving your English, just let me know. I'm here to help.